Hello, lovely people. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you all for returning. And if you are new, thanks for stopping by. And I believe you will join this beautiful family after watching the video till the end. Family, today I want to share with you how I make my simple beans stew for my rice, my kenke, for my gari, for my yam, and whatnot. I want to share this simple yet amazing lunch recipe with you. So let's get started without wasting my time. All you need, first of all, is your black eye beans. I'm going to wash this black eye beans nicely and then I'll add some water and cook it. Since I'm going to be adding it to the stew later on, I'm not going to let it cook to perfection. I'll let it cook about 90% and then I'll add it to the stew for it to cook completely in the stew. I hope you get it. Now looking at the beans is tender, so I'm going to turn off the heat and then we start making our stew. So guys, go nowhere and let's make this together. Now these are my ingredients for the stew base and they are scotch bonnet pepper, garlic, ginger, red onions, fresh tomatoes, and the seasonings are star anise seeds and anise seeds. Family, I'm going to clean and wash all the ingredients that I've just shown you and blend them nicely. So I'll be back in a jiffy, so go nowhere. And just so you know, I didn't add any corn or saltpeter to the beans when I was cooking it. But if you want your beans to always cook faster than normal, you can then add your saltpeter or a corn. Guys, I'm using palm oil for this stew. You can always use any oil of your choice. I've added my salted fish and I'm going to add my onions very soon. When the onions turn golden brown or brown, depending on how you want it, you will then add our blended vegetables and seasonings to continue making our stew. This smells so beautiful, guys. You can all attest to it. Whenever we add salted fish or momoni to the stew base, it always takes the stew to the next level. It's time to add our blended vegetables, and that is it. We are then going to give it a good stir. Let it simmer until all the water dries out. We will then keep checking on the stew from time to time to see how far things are going with the stew and to see how the water is drying out from the stew. Family, at this stage, we are going to add our mackerel in tomato sauce. You can use any fish of your choice or you can even opt this part out. But adding it to your stew takes it to a whole new level. Talk of the nice flavor it brings along. Talk of the beautiful aroma it brings along. So guys, you will never go wrong whenever you add it to your stew. You can choose to break the mackerel into pieces or you leave them in chunks in the stew. So after stirring, I'm going to let the stew simmer until the palm oil settles on top of the stew like this, and then I'll add my beans. I like the texture of the beans. I like the way it's not too soft and it's not too hard. So the beans is going to continue to cook in the stew to soak up the amazing flavor and everything in the stew. I love that. Oh my goodness. This smells so amazing. I like this. So guys, you keep stirring from time to time. Combine everything nicely and beautifully. After you are done stirring, let the stew continue to simmer till more or all of the water dries out. Add salt if the salt is not enough in the stew. Continue to stir to combine everything all the time nicely together. And make sure the salt content is evenly distributed. That is very important. Family, we are almost at the end of making our bean stew. Right now, all we are doing is to make sure that we dry out all or most of the water from the bean stew. Right now, I'm going to add my herring fillet, homemade herring fillet. It tastes amazing. And you know me, I love to always put up my flavor, and that makes my stew taste good and amazing all the time. Always adding these little extras take the stew to the next level It's a game changer and it makes your stew always turn out to be exceptional. And I like that. Most of the water has dried out, so I'm going to add my colorful vegetables. And we don't always do this, but that's me. I like my colors because I eat with my eyes. This is my red bell pepper. I'm going to add my yellow bell pepper, and I'll add my green bell pepper, and I'll also add my spring onions. And as always, you stir to combine everything nicely together. So family, so far, if you're enjoying this video and it's helpful, please don't forget to give your girl a big thumbs up. Don't forget to share, comment, and recommend the channel to friends and families who may also like my recipes. And if you are new, hey, I hope you have been inspired. Please don't forget to click on the red subscribe button, click on the bell button to join this amazing family, and you will never ever regret it. Ooh, beautiful. This smells so good. It tastes amazing. In fact, I love the pleasant and savory taste of the beef stew. The recipe is so simple, but guys, the end result is very, very magical. I love this. I'm so impressed, and I hope you like it too. Wow, what an amazing aroma. So, family, you can serve yourself right away, or you can let the water in the stew dry out some more. Wow, this smells so amazing. The recipe is so simple, and you all saw that. But I love the smell of the salted fish. I love the smell of the herring fillet. I just love everything about this stew. It's so quick and easy to make. Finally, my bean stew for lunch is ready, and there are a whole lot to eat this bean stew with. But right now, I'm going to be serving it with some rice, fried ripe plantain, and my egg. You can go ahead and add all your extras like avocados, your fish. Family, just enjoy this bean stew the way you want it because it's so amazing. I didn't need to add any more of the seasonings because the seasonings from the beginning, that's the anise seed and then the star anise seeds blended in so perfectly that you don't need to add any more seasonings unless you want more seasonings. That's by choice, okay? This is so perfect for me. And also, the salted fish is also working wonders. The salt content is fine. When it comes to everything, everything is so on point. Flavor checked, aroma checked, taste checked. Oh my goodness, guys. You are all invited. I cannot wait to enjoy myself this afternoon. So, guys, hope to see you all again in my next video. Until then, stay blessed, stay safe, be good. Take care. Bye, or kiss.